Lot 108 is a 1994 F-700 flatbed truck. The truck has a rusted bed, severely rusted. I will show you that later. The tires look good. The engine turns on and cuts off immediately. I'm going to demonstrate. Go ahead. It does sound good when it starts, but it turns off. It has a fuel issue. You see how it turns on and it cuts off? Does not stay running. But it does sound good. It's a straight 6-cylinder, 5.9 Ford. I believe this is the one that's made in Brazil. Motor sounds good. Automatic transmission. I don't know if it engages because we couldn't get it running enough to put it in gear. The interior, the driver's seat, the bench seat is torn. The front windshield is cracked in the corner over there. Right there. The dash is cracked. It's got 128,000 miles. The cab is good. The bed is severely rusted. The tires look good. The chassis looks good. The tie downs, they look like they're rusted. Those need to be replaced as well. It's got a military hitch in the back. It's got a toolbox on the side, a jaw box. The bed is really bad, really rusted. But the chassis is good. No radio. Air brakes. Fiberglass damage by the fender. And that's pretty much it. Good luck.